Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Android device. Step 1. Make sure your mobile data is on. For that, go to settings, then network and internet, and there you can see the on off option. Just click on. Still not working? Just restart your phone. A quick reboot often solves connection glitches. And then step 3. Check data usage limit. Check your data usage. If you have hit your limit, your mobile data may be restricted. Try switching between 3G, 4G or 2G networks to find the best signal. Sometimes your phone stays stuck on a weak connection. Turn Wi-Fi off and check if mobile data kicks in. If it's still not working, reset your network settings completely. Sometimes an system update fixes bugs causing data issues. So check for software updates if there's any update on your Android device. You can also enable auto switching to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. So these quick fixes should get your Android mobile data working again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.